everybody, it's Wendy, and today we are going to open the bargain bead box for November 2022. But first of all, our encouraging word for today is every moment is a fresh beginning. That is so true. All right, so I went to the mailbox. We're prepping for a tropical storm slash possible hurricane. So I thought I better check the mail tonight, just be sure to get it checked before things get crazy. Even though I think we have a couple of days still, but went to the mailbox and here was the bargain bead box and I was really surprised. So bargain bead box is a monthly beading subscription service delivered straight to your door for $19.49. That includes shipping and everything. When you subscribe, you also get a 30% off coupon to use in their sister store, Beadbox Bargains, and you can use that over and over all month long if you want to, however many times you want. I do have a coupon code. It is Wendy2 that will get you $2 off your first month's box if you want to subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, you just want to shop in their store, it'll get you $2 off of your first order, but you can only use it one time, so just keep that in mind. So we're going to take a look at what's in here. The theme for this month is Holiday Cheer, and they're getting a jump on Christmas, it looks like. And it says the approximate total retail value for this shipment is $78. So let's go ahead and get into it. And I love how they give you this little key. And it comes in a little organza baggie, usually matches the color theme of what we've got going on here, and it definitely does. It's all red and green in here. It looks really pretty. Okay, so number one is an approximately 15-inch strand of 8mm green quartz round beads. And it says indicates permanently dyed gemstone item. So this is dyed quartz, of course. It's beautiful. There it is. Really nice. They've got some darker shades in here, some lighter shades, and a huge strand of it. This is a lot of quartz. Look at that. It's really pretty. Look at this one here with the, you can see the striations in there. It's pretty. Okay, so that's number one. Number two, we have some bead caps. This month they've sent some gold filigree bead caps. These are nice. These are different than what they usually send. There we go. If it's too shiny or too sparkly, the camera just does not know how to focus on it. There we go. Gold filigree bead caps. These look like they would fit these pretty good, maybe. Yeah. I think so. So those are nice. Looks like you get 30 pieces. It says they're 7.5mm. Okay. And then we have a 13-inch strand of 4mm crystal bicone beads in red. Coral red, this says. Oh, those are pretty. They're very sparkly. Look at that. Pretty bicones. And again, a large strand of them. You've got a lot on there. Very, very sparkly. Okay, then we have an 8.5-inch adjustable nylon slide bracelet cord in red/gold. Now, I like these. I just bought, they had some more of these on their website. There was a pink one, a teal colored one, and these are really cool. So you just bead your section here, and they have the slider to where you can adjust the fit on it. This to me is kind of orangey, not necessarily red. So, you've got this red, and it looks like all the rest of the box is pretty red. So I'm not sure how this is going to go with these other beads, but I really do like these little adjustable slide bracelets. I think they're really cool. So that's pretty cool to get in there. And I had ordered some of the other colors from their website, so I have several of these now. I really like them. Okay, then number 5. We've got some pendants here. Let's see. Oh, here they are. So we've got 2 pieces of 32 by 26mm gold finished brass textured diamond pendants. These are pretty. Very different, kind of classy looking, classy Christmas. I can see putting, you know, the red and green with it. It's going to look very classy, classic Christmas. The gold. Really pretty. Yeah, I like those. Those are different. Okay, number 6, 2 sets of 18.5 by 13 millimeter stainless steel hypoallergenic toggle clasps in gold. That's these. These are just little normal toggles, you know, just a little round toggle. I like these because you can tell that the bar fits well with the ring on this. So with toggles, I'm always a little leery of them, especially for bracelets, because if the bar is small, it will slip through this and come off and you can lose it. But this one seems to be a pretty good, you know, size. It doesn't look like it would be one that would come off easily. So those are really nice. 2 toggle clasps. Number 7, we've got some rondelles. Let's see here. 13.5-inch strand of 4 by 3 millimeter faceted multicolor quartz rondelles. Oh, these are cool. Look at these. It says these are permanently dyed gemstone. I don't know what gemstone they are. It doesn't say. Oh, quartz. Sorry. Quartz rondelles. Yeah, that would be quartz. These are pretty. Look at this big long strand of these too. I love that you get all these colors. These are really cool. Really pretty. Okay. I like those a lot. And then number 8, we have 5 pieces of 10 millimeter handmade cloisonne enamel and brass floral round beads. That's these. These are really pretty. Very classical Christmas looking. Really pretty though. Like them. Cloisonne. Beautiful. They look really good, I think, with these. The styling goes together really well. Those will be fun. Then we have 5 pieces, number 13. Are we number 13 or number 9? 5 pieces of 10 millimeter crystal faceted barrel beads in coral red AB. These have a gorgeous finish on them. Wow, they are so pretty. Coral red AB. Beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Those are going to be really pretty. They look beautiful. Yeah, these are beautiful. Love that finish. So pretty. Okay. Stick those up there. Number 10, 11-inch strand of 6 millimeter crystal cube beads in green shimmer. These are interesting. We don't usually get cube beads in the boxes. Very nice. And we'll see how this works out, but here's what they've done. They've done a darker green, more of a lime green. This green matches this green pretty well. And then we've got some coming up that are a little different colored green. So I find it a little bit confusing sometimes to mix these things. I know these 2 greens go together. They do. But, you know, in putting a whole, like, bracelet or necklace together sometimes, I have a hard time mixing. You know, if we've got a box like this that's themed red and green, I don't know what I'm trying to say. But anyway, they do look pretty together, though, so we'll see how it works out. I should be able to make it work, for sure. I don't think I would have a problem. I don't know what I'm thinking. Chris and I have both been really sick this past weekend, so we've both run high fevers and been really, really sick for several days, so I'm not quite myself yet. Not quite thinking straight yet. Okay, number 11, 10-piece strand of 10 millimeter Mountain Jade dolomite round beads in green and gold. That's these. This is the other green I was talking about. These are really pretty. Those do all three go really good together. So we'll see. I don't know. Those are very, very pretty. Mountain Jade Dolomite. Never heard of that. They're beautiful. Okay. And then, let's see what we've got here. Number 12 is a 19 by 12.5 millimeter golden brass snowflake link with cubic zirconia accents. Oh, that is sweet. Look at that. Look how pretty. That's a beautiful little thing. I wish they would have given us two, because that would have been really pretty earrings. But it'll just be a link for something. Maybe a bracelet, a very dainty little bracelet. Maybe with these. But it's very pretty. That's a really pretty little link. Okay. Number 13. We've got 10-piece strand of 9mm faceted diagonal cube crystal beads in red. These are pretty. These are the English cut. Look how sparkly they are. Very, very pretty. Very nice. Yeah, those look really nice with those. Excuse me. Number 14. We've got 40 pieces of 4 by 3.5mm gold finish solid brass spacers. These are just normal little gold spacers, which are always good to get. And I feel like in this box with the strong theme of green, red, and gold, I think they'll be useful and really pretty. Those are always good. 14. Number 15 is 7.5-inch strand of 8 by 6mm crystal faceted Rondo beads in red and gold. Okay, so here's kind of an example of what I was talking about. Now, this does go really good with this. It's kind of this orangey red, but it does not really match with these other deeper reds. I mean, it kind of does, but I don't know. It doesn't really, I don't think. The cloisonne beads, yeah, it could go with them pretty good, but these darker reds, I don't think it looks as good with. And definitely not that one, because it's more kind of maroonish. But it does go really good with this. So yeah, it'll work in somewhere. But that's just kind of what I was talking about, is difference in shades. But those are very pretty. Very, very sparkly. Beautiful, beautiful beads. Okay, number 16. 39 by 25mm quartz and 18 karat gold plated copper wrapped donut. Oh, okay, I have the wrong one. Sorry for the coughing. Okay, so this is really cute. Just a little wire wrapped donut pendant. Interesting. I'm just trying to straighten that out. It bugs me. It's my OCD kicking in right there. But yeah, this is really cute. Interesting. I've never seen one like this before. That's a cool way to do a donut. There it is. Alright, and then last but not least, we have a 40mm enameled geometric medallion pendant in red/gold. This is really cool. I like that a lot. That's very interesting. Looks great with these because of this shape in here. So that's going to be really interesting to see what we come up with that. So that is the bargain bead box this month. Not sure what my favorite item out of this box is. Probably these. I just think these are so pretty. And I love this little snowflake link. I wish that they would have given us 2 of the snowflake links. That would have been really nice, but it's okay. We'll do something with it, but they would have made really sweet little earrings. That is so pretty though. So here it is. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I always like to hear what other people think of the bargain bead box. But yeah, I like it okay. I mean, it's a different box. It's unique, which is nice, and has some items in here that we don't usually get with Bargain Bead Box. So kind of cool. All right. So anyway, guys, I'm going to get off here and go take it easy. Finish hurricane prepping and try to recover. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.